Forgot your Acer laptop password? Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 methods to unlock it and get you back into your system. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Use a password reset disk. If you were proactive and created a password reset disk earlier, you're in luck. Here's what you need to do. On the login screen, click Reset Password. Insert your password reset disk. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Boom, you're back in. Method 2. Safe mode and administrator account, Windows 7 and earlier. Got an older laptop running Windows 7 or earlier? You can access the hidden administrator account in safe mode. Restart your laptop and hit F8 repeatedly before the Windows logo appears. Choose Safe Mode with Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type Net User Administrator Active Yes and hit Enter. Restart, log in with the administrator account and reset your password via the control panel. Easy, right? Method 3. Windows Password Recovery Tools. There are third-party tools that can save the day. A couple of options. OpCrack, a free tool that cracks passwords using rainbow tables. Offline NT Password and Registry Editor, a tool to reset or remove your Windows password. Just be careful, as these tools can affect system files. Method 4. Reset Password with Microsoft Account, Windows 8 and later. If your Acer laptop is linked to a Microsoft account, you can reset your password online. Grab another device and go to the Microsoft Password Reset page. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once it's reset, log into your laptop with the new password. You're back in business. Method 5. Factory Reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset might be your only option. Remember, this will erase all data, so use this as a last resort. Turn off your laptop. Press the power button, then hit Alt F10 repeatedly until the recovery screen pops up. Choose Restore Factory Settings and follow the on-screen instructions. Your laptop will be fresh out of the box, so make sure you've backed up your data. Method 6. Contact Acer Support. Still stuck? It might be time to reach out to Acer Support. They can provide a solution tailored to your specific model. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods got you back into your laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. See you in the next one.